Hello cuties, welcome back to our today's online yoga class. Hope all are safe in home. Be ready with your workbook, notebook, student reader, pencil, eraser, etc. If you are ready, let us move on to our today's class. First, in our phonics part, we're going to learn a worksheet activity. We already learned some new sound patterns in our previous classes. Based on this, we're going to do one workbook activity. I just want all of you to open worksheet 13 in your workbook unit 8. I'm going to start countdown 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all opened your worksheet 13 and the page number 94? Yes. Look at the first question. Fill in the blanks with the correct blend from the options given. Here, some pictures are given in this question. And then you have to complete this word with the help of the correct blend sound from the given options. You just look at the picture, say the word, and then find the correct blend sound from the options given. Look at the picture. I'm going to show one model. First, look at the first support question. What picture is this? Yes, lamp. Lamp. For this, I have to choose lamp. Yes, this is the correct blend sound for this word. Lamp. Yes. Is the correct end blend sound for this word. Lamp. Like this, try to complete this worksheet as your own mark. Yes. In the end of our today's session, I will show the answers for this. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Just pause the video and then try to complete the remaining question. Next, we want to open SR21 in your student reader book. I'll give you 3 seconds. I'm going to start countdown. Just open your worksheet SR book SR21 and then the page number 106 in unit 8. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at this. Here a short passage is given. You just try to read this passage as your own. Yes, if you come across any phonic word means you just use the blending technique to read the word. If it is a whole word means you just see the word and then saying them as it is. Try to read this as your own. Now I show you one example. I am going to read this first sentence. Look at the first word. Yes, I think this is a phonic word. So that I use the blending technique. For this blending technique, I just identify the beginning, middle and then end. Finally, I join all the sounds together and then read the word. The beginning sound, h, middle sound, and then end blend sound, lk. H, lk. H, lk. Hulk. Hulk. Look at the next word. This is a whole word. So that I say the word by seeing them as it is. Went. Went. To. To. Look at the next word. I think this is also a phonic word. So that I use the blending technique. Just identify the beginning, middle and then end blend sound. What is the beginning sound? K. Middle sound? A. A. And then finally end blend sound. What is the end blend sound of this word? Mp. K. A. Mp. K. A. Mp. Camp. Camp. Hulk went to camp. Like this, try to read this remaining of the passage as your own in your SR21, ma. Yes, you use the blending technique to read the phonic word. Okay, children. Let us move on to the whole words part. In our whole words part, we learnt 3 new words in our last class. What are the words we learnt in our last class? Yes, look at the first word. Life. Life. Repeat again. Life. Say loudly. Life. Life. Yes. Life. The life in the city is exciting. The life in the city is exciting. Life. See the next word. Top. Top. Repeat again. Top. The bottle was on the top of the table. Top. The bottle was on the top of the table. Top. Repeat again. Top. See the next word. Add. Add. Say loudly. Add. She wanted to add the numbers. Add. Add. Okay, children. Today we will read a poem in your SR book. Yes, when you come across these 3 words in this poem, you just circle the words in your SR book. So to be ready with your SR book and then pencil. Just open SR24 and Unit 8. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all opened your SR24 on the page number 109? Yes. Look at this. What is the title of the story? Rima loves monuments. Rima loves monuments. I will start reading this story aloud. Yes, you just follow along with me and then try to find the new words, new whole words, and then just circle the words in your SR book with your pencil. Yes. Are you ready? Just follow along with me, ma. Rima loves to visit monuments. Rima loves to visit monuments. Listen carefully. They add to our heritage. She sings. Yes. Circle the word add. Because in our whole word session we learnt this word add. Looking at them in awe. She blinks. Taj Mahal is the best, says Rima. She loves visiting them with her best friend Tima. The Golden Temple is very beautiful. The life around the temple so colorful. Yes, circle the word life. Can you find this word life? Just circle this word life in your SR book. Qutub Minar, the tallest minaret. Qutub Minar, the tallest minaret, going to the top. Yes. Did you remember this word top? Circle the word top. Is as far as she can get. Rima loves to visit monuments. Okay, children, I hope you have circled these words in your SR book. You just go through again the story and then Read the story as your own in your essay book and try to find the whole words and then circle the words. Next, we move on to our RLC part, reading and listening comprehension. In our RLC part, we are going to read the story Rima Loves Monuments Again. And then I want all of you to find the new word which you don't understand the meaning. You just circle the word and then guess the meaning for the new word with the 4 steps we already learned. How to find the meaning of a word, how to find the meaning of a new word. Do you remember? Yes, first we see the picture. And then second step, have to read the other words in the sentence given. And then third one, have to compare with our already we known. And then finally find the meaning of the new word. With the help of these 4 steps, try to find the meaning of the new word in this story. Okay, children? Yes, I give you 5 seconds. You just pause the video and then try to read the story as your own and then try to find the meaning of the new words. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete reading? Yes, if you can't finish means just pause the video and then complete reading the story. Now we're going to guess the meaning of the words. See the words? Yes, I want you to guess the meaning for these 2 words given. First word is visit. Visit. Second one is ow. Ow. Just try to find the meaning for these 2 words as your own in Rima Loves Monument story. We will check the vocabulary meaning for these words later. 3, 2, 1, 0. Just open SR 25 in 110 page number. Just want to read these vocabulary words for this poem. Look at the first word, heritage. Repeat again, heritage. Heritage. History and culture. பாரம்பரியம்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, heritage நம்முடைய பாரம்பரியம். In Tamil, heritage is the meaning of Tamil means பாரம்பரியம். Repeat again, heritage. Heritage. History and culture. நம்மளுடைய கலாச்சாரம் மற்றும் வரலாறு எல்லாம் சேர்ந்தது தான் நம்மளுடைய பாரம்பரியம். சரியா? heritage. Next. Awe. Awe means wonder. Yes. நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒன்று பார்த்து ரொம்ப சர்ப்ரைஸாக எக்ஸைட்டிங்காக பார்க்குறோம் இல்லையா, புதுசாக. தட் மீன்ஸ் wonder. Awe. Wonder. Repeat again, heritage, history and culture. Heritage, history and culture. Awe. Wonder. Awe. Wonder. Next, I want all of you to open worksheet 13 and the page number 94 in unit 8. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the second question. Answer the following questions. You just want to answer all these questions in worksheet 13 and also in worksheet 14. DEF questions are in unit 14. Worksheet 14. You just read the questions and then try to answer the questions as your own. You can refer the story Rima Loves Monuments from your SR book, SR 24, to answer the questions. What does Rima love doing? Who is Rima's best friend? Which word means good looking? You have to choose the options from these three given. Next, see worksheet 14. What is the poem about? Which monument does Rima think is the best? Rima loves visiting monuments. What do you love doing? Why? You just answer all these questions in worksheet 13 and then worksheet 14, ma'am. I will show the answers for these worksheet activities in the end of our today's session. Let us move on to our grammar part. In our grammar part, we already learnt about the gender nouns, right? For this grammar part, you just open your worksheet 14, second question. You have to answer this first question. Write male or female for the following nouns. Yes, if it is a male means you just write the male. When it is a female gender means you just write the female. Right, you have to just identify whether it is read the word and then identify whether it is a male or female, and then try to complete this blank with this male or female. Here is an example. Look at the first word. Yes, the word is sun. Sun. Is sun is a female or male? Yes, sun belongs to the boy, right? Sun is a boy, so that it is a male. Male. Yes, just like this, try to do the rest of the questions in your worksheet 14. I give you 5 seconds. Just pause the video and then try to complete this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Turn next page. Worksheet 15. Look at the first question. Match male nouns with their female nouns. Here some male nouns are given in the left side, and in the right side female nouns are related to the male noun. Female nouns are given in this side. I just want you to read the word and then try to find the correct female noun for the word, and then you have to match the male nouns with the female noun. There is one example. Look at the D question. Sun. Sun is a male noun, so that female gender for this male is daughter. Son, daughter. I am going to show you one model. Look at the first word. Yes, this is husband. What word is this? Husband. Husband is a male, right? Husband is male. So, its female noun would be wife. Look at this. Queen, daughter, wife, lioness and tigress. For this husband, male, his husband is a male, so that the female noun for the word would be wife. Husband, wife. We have to match these two words. Husband, wife. Like this, try to do the rest of the questions as your own. I will show the answers for this worksheet in the end of our today's session. Look at the question 2. Write the matching gender nouns from the box. Here, some gender nouns are given in this box. Grandmother, sister, cow, girl, uncle, father. Here, some words are given in these subpart questions. You just read the word and then try to find the correct gender nouns from these boxes given. I will show you one model. Look at the first question. First support question. Grandfather. What word is this? Grandfather. Grandfather. The female noun for this word grandfather would be grandmother, sister, cow, girl, uncle, father. Which is the correct gender for this grandfather? The female noun for this grandfather would be grandmother. Very good. Grandmother. Grandmother. Okay, children. Like this, try to do the rest of the questions as your own. Let us move on to our writing and speaking expression part. In our writing and speaking expression part, we are going to learn the poster making. Poster making means just in this unit we have studied all about monuments. Yes, in this unit and why they are so important. Now let's draw a poster to help tell others why it is important to save our monuments. In this poster, we are going to tell others why it is very important to save the monuments. Poster can be drawn in a paper. Yes, it is nothing but it is a nice looking paper with an important message on it. Poster is nothing but it is a nice looking paper. Nice looking paper with an important message on it. We just draw a picture and then based on this we give some message about the pictures in that paper is known as the poster. Now I will show you an example of poster. Look at this poster, ma. This is a sample one. You just look at the picture. This will gives you an idea to make a poster like this. You have got the power. Yes, with the help of these vegetables, when we eat these vegetables, we can get the power. Want to get your engine going? Eat your colors. Make half your plate, fruits and veggies. See the next poster. Please keep the park clean. Yes. Next. Plant a tree. Save the planet. Like this. You can use this as a model. You just use this as a model and then try to make your poster as your own thought. Next you will open your SR16 and the page number 101. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at this. Save our monuments. Children, you just start reading the story. Save our monuments as your own. You just read the story loudly. Point out with your finger and then read aloud the story. I give you 5 seconds. You just pause the video and then try to complete this reading story. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you didn't finish means just pause the video and then complete reading the story, ma. Next you have to open your worksheet 16, the page number 97. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the question. Draw your poster on importance of saving our monuments. Yes, the title of importance of saving our monuments. You just draw one poster in this blank space. You have to draw your picture of the title, from the title, importance of saving monuments. And then below this, one message box is given. Yes, we have to complete this message box in our next class. See this image, ma. Just this is one model how to draw the picture poster on importance of saving our monuments. You can use this as your model and then try to draw on the topic importance of saving our monuments in worksheet 16 as with your own thought. Okay children, we have to complete our today's session. Look at this. This is the answer for worksheet 13, first question. I give you 3 seconds. Just copy the answers and make a self-correction with your answers. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, second question. Answer for these 3 subpart questions A, B and C. I give you 3 seconds. Just pause the video and then try to complete these answers. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, worksheet 14. Answer for these 3 subpart questions D, E and F. Just pause the video and then complete these answers in your workbook. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, answer for this. Write male or female for the following nouns. I'm going to start countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Turn next page, worksheet 15. Answer for the first question. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, answer for the second question. I'm going to start countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then next, for worksheet 16, you just draw your posters as your own and then complete the message with your own thought. Try to complete this as your own, ma'am. Now we are going to complete our today's session. All of you take care. See you in your next class. Thank you, cuties. Bye.